Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You're watching Islamic World today. First, Iran's Qassem Soleimani, global mass killer. Soleimani's legacy will include his kill record from Middle East to South America. Thousands mourn slain General Soleimani. Top military general Qassem Soleimani was killed in US drone attack in Iraq. Iraqi parliament decide to expel US troops. Move comes after US airstrike killed top Iranian general Qassem Soleimani in Iraqi capital Baghdad. Trump warns Iraq of sanctions if US forces expelled. US president vows to hit country with sanctions likely they have never seen before. Iraqi foreign ministry summons US envoy to Baghdad. US ambassador Matthew Tuller condemned on US strike in Iraq that killed top Iranian commander. Hamas leader Haniyeh attends Soleimani funeral in Iran. Egypt allowed Haniyeh to travel for the first regional tour since 2017 election. Israel embassies on high alert after Soleimani's death. Israel's security cabinet to meet Monday to discuss possible Iranian threat for following Soleimani's killing. Iran General Esmail Ghaani vows revenge for Soleimani killing. Esmail Ghani's threat comes as a blowback over the US killing of top Iranian general. US will pay price for killing of Soleimani HEZBOLLAH. Trump and his administration will realize they lost region when US soldiers are sent home in coffins, says Hassan Nasrallah. Lebanese refused Nasrallah's declaration of war on US. Anger after Hezbollah's leader's speech on death of Soleimani. Rockets fall near US embassy in Baghdad. Unknown number of civilians reportedly injured in attack. Iranian militias hide among civilians in Syria. Iran-backed militia hide among civilians in Syria to avoid possible US attacks following Soleimani's killing. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.